Ready to transform boring data into eye-catching visuals? First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Choose your desired dimensions. Remember, your canvas is your canvas. Next, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. It's usually located near the shape tools. Now, it's time to draw your table's outline. Click and drag on your canvas. This first rectangle represents the overall shape or borders of your table. The tool allows you to customize its size and shape, so make it big enough to easily view. And change the color of the fill from the Properties panel or the top menu. You can also adjust the border or stroke. With the first rectangle shaped, learn how to create the internal structure. Use the rectangle tool again. This time, draw horizontal and vertical lines to delineate the table rows and columns. Maintain consistency is spacing as you're drawing. This leads to uniformity. Adjust the stroke and fill as needed. To quickly duplicate these lines, select a line or shape. Use the shortcuts Copy Ctrl+C or CMD+C and paste Ctrl+V or CMD+V. Align those copied elements to evenly space your rows to create your perfect structured table. Remember to create space to write in it. Now select the Type tool, the T icon. From the toolbar, click inside each cell to add your text or data. You can customize the font, size, and color from the Character panel to match the style of your design. Keep in mind to pick a font that represents you well. And there you have it, a custom table built in Photoshop. Experiment with colors, gradients, and shadows to add depth. Use this technique for infographics, charts, and more to boost your designs and presentations. Congratulations, you now can easily translate raw data into visually stunning tables.